What's up, creators? Air is back with another round of YouTube updates. From long videos sneaking into shorts to new AI tools and more. TikTok's actually testing something interesting too, so let's get into it. First up, it's finally happening. YouTube's rolling out the most requested feature. Longer shorts are here since October 15th. Now you can upload shorts up to 3 minutes long, plus YouTube's tweaking recommendations for this format, so it's definitely worth a try. YouTube's also adding tools to create AI-generated backgrounds and new templates for content remixes. Next up is that YouTube's testing the new Edit Out policy feature. Now you can trim those parts of the video that violate community guidelines before they snap on an age restriction or removal, and you can test this feature in your YouTube studio. The next one is actually big. YouTube's AI dubbing feature, known as Aloud, is now accessible to more creators. So far, the tool supports English to Spanish and Portuguese, with French and Italian coming soon. YouTube is also testing ads that show up when you pause the video. They've been testing it since early 2024, and now it's accessible to more users, but only non-premium ones so far. So we'll see how it affects monetization very soon. Now quick switch to TikTok, because they've been testing the new delete and re-edit feature. So now you can reset all the in-app edits without redoing the whole video. And back to YouTube, the Add Your sticker is live for Shorts. You know this feature from TikTok and Instagram, and now it's here. To make the most out of it, you just need to add the sticker to your video and ask your audience to create their own versions of your content. You can try it with questions, challenges, and creative prompts to encourage viewers to participate. The next one isn't exactly news, but a celebration. Creators who partnered with Air crossed over 125 billion views on YouTube. If you're a creator, you can just request a channel audit with Air experts to see where you can start breaking through to that next level. And back to news. YouTube's adding tools to detect deepfakes. It's all about protecting creators from unauthorized use of their voice and face in fake videos, and the future update will also detect synthetic scening. One more update is that now you can change the YouTube Shorts cover after the upload. No custom images yet, but at least now you've got more control over it. And finally, there is an update everyone's been talking about. YouTube's testing long-form content in YouTube Shorts feed. It's still an experimental phase, but it already can give you the better exposure, so we'll see where it goes. And the last one for today, if you want to know about new updates as soon as they drop, subscribe and check out our socials in the description. We post all the news there first. See you in the next one, creators!